So the heart is like, can become coherent only when we feel elevated emotions, great, amazing emotions. And that's when the heart becomes coherent. Love, joy, gratitude, compassion, courage, power, all these are good emotions, right? When you feel, you will see your energy expands. When you feel grief, jealousy, anger, fear, your energy contracts. So, whenever you're feeling all these low emotions, your heart goes out of coherence. And whenever you're feeling great feelings, okay, that time your heart is slowly getting into coherence. Coherence, what are the benefits of coherence? The first benefit of coherence is that, the more you are activating that elevated emotions in your heart, where the more you're feeling good, not just in the heart, the whole body spread. The more, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, when you're feeling good, it just stays in the heart. It has to spread into the entire body. The moment you start feeling like that, what happens is that around the heart a certain kind of magnetic field is created. Everything is research. You can go back, you can read Dr. Joe Dispenza's books. They all talk about all these things. So then this magnetic field, the more you're activating, you're feeling, and more, and हमको लगता है कि अच्छा feeling का एक ही, oh, I'm feeling good, so feel good. No, there is also degree. I told you about Anita Morjani's, the book yesterday, and how, when she went to the other side of the death, she felt so good, unconditional love. But she said, वो unconditional love, even in normal life में मम्मी जो बच्चे को देती है, वो जो लव उससे भी और हायर डिग्री में मैं वो फील कर रही थी, इतना इंटेंस था वो लव. So even high elevated emotions can have certain degrees and intensities of unconditional love. Okay, so love can be felt at the degree of 10, it can be felt at the degree of 50, 100, 1,000, and even, infinite. You can feel that intensity. लेकिन वो इंटेंसिटी इतना हाई हो जाता है तो कभी कभी हम बॉडी में नहीं रह पाते. इसीलिए पीपल एस्ट्रल मास्टर्स गुरु एंड बहुत बहुत मोक्ष प्राप्त करने, शिवा एंड ऑल दिस पीपल, व्हाई मेनी ऑफ देम आर नॉट इन द बॉडी, बिकॉज बॉडी रख ही नहीं पाएगा इतना इंटेंसिटी ऑफ जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस. तब दे गो टू अदर प्लेन्स. ऐसा नहीं कि मर गए और भी अच्छे प्लेन में चले गए हैं, हमको लगता है ये प्लेन सबसे अच्छा है. नहीं, देर आर मेनी मेनी बेस्ट प्लेन्स. But why am I talking about this year? It is because, so believe, this part believe. Yesterday we did ask. We have to ask very clearly and everything. But after that you have to believe. अभी ये believe क्या है? The believe as if you have only when, the subconscious mind को सिर्फ एक ही चीज पता है कि वो बिलीव कर पा रहा है कि नहीं. अगर नहीं बिलीव कर रहा है, पर आप कंप्लीटली, द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल टेक एवरीथिंग. इफ यू कैन रियली मेक द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बिलीव, इट विल स्टार्ट एक्टिंग दैट इमीडिएटली हीलिंग विल हैपन. समटाइम्स वी थिंक ना, कैंसर है, टाइम लगेगा, बचेगा कि नहीं बचेगा, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी थिंक. बट the trick is that if you can convince the subconscious mind that you have already healed, you are not going to heal tomorrow. That's what I said. Everything in affirmations, also what I was teaching in the last few days, I taught you the affirmations should be in present tense. I am earning effortlessly, easily. I am, I said. I didn't say I will. In the same way, when you are believing also, when you have put that goal down, when you are believing also, it has to be so convincing as if you are already living that goal. You are not going to achieve that goal tomorrow. You have already become that person. And you have to feel it intensely in your body. How will you do? How will you talk? What will you do? Whom will you call if you get this good news? Everything you have to believe as if it's happening in real time. You have already achieved it. Then only the subconscious mind believes and then gives you the result. टाइम लगता है फुलफिल होने में. वन इज पास्ट लाइफ कर्मा, दैट ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी कैनॉट कंप्लीटली, दैट्स वाई वी आर मेडिटेटिंग कंप्लीटली. एंड अनदर इज वी आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू कन्विंस द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, अरे तुम करोड़पति, तुम मिलियनर बिलियनर बन सकती हो, अभी यू बन गई हो. बिलीव ही नहीं कर पाता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग थॉट्स आते हैं. So, ये contradicting, so these contradicting thoughts which say, oh, not possible. I told you about the four things, right? Body, environment, and time, which does not let us believe. Contradicting thoughts आ जाता है, past आ जाता है, बोलता है कि अरे कभी नहीं अचीव किया है, कैसे अचीव करोगी. हम्म. एंड बॉडी बोलेगा नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सो जाओ, अभी काम नहीं करना है. या फिर बॉडी बोलेगा यू आर अ फेलियर, बिकॉज बॉडी इज एडिक्टेड टू द फीलिंग ऑफ फेलियर, और फीलिंग ऑफ रिजेक्शन, or the feeling of not loved, not accepted. Hmm? All these things, the body will start sending those signals. This is again another big topic. I will take it some other day. But just understand कि contradicting thoughts आ जाते हैं इन तीन चीजों से, बॉडी, टाइम एंड एनवायरमेंट से आ जाएगा. तो इसको कैसे करें? हाउ डू वी कम्बैट द कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग थॉट सो दैट द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कंप्लीटली अब्सॉर्ब्स इट राइट नाउ itself? One is brain coherence. So that the logical mind does not come, the brain slowly goes. Yesterday we did brain coherence, so that the logical mind starts accepting whatever it is right now. And the second is heart coherence. The moment the we feel elevated emotion with brain coherence, we can accept any damn thing in the world. You are Queen Elizabeth, you will be able to even believe that, walk talk like that. That's what happens, right? Some people, when they do hypnosis, there are stories of people saying that even this hypnosis that we do, healing, we don't do that level कि एक आदमी को भुला ही दो कि वो कौन सा है. The person with the hypnosis that I do, the person completely remembers उसने क्या बोला, क्या किया, क्या गई, and everything. But there are some hypnosis where you can, the person just, you can say take this gun, go and kill, and many people can go and do it. Because क्या होता है कि the heart and the brain, नेगेटिव वे में ही सही, बट इतना कोहरेंट करके उसको बिलीव करवा दिया कि वो अभी बिलीव करने लगा है कि ही इज अ मर्डरर एंड ही हैज टू मर्डर एवरीबडी. Then the person can wake up and do. So this is what the heart and brain coherence does. It makes you believe in real time that this is possible, and you have become that, and you start acting. When you start acting and feeling like that, the subconscious mind totally takes it, and in real time there will be no time gap. You can see changes, but nahi hota hai. That's what the practices say all about. That's what Rajiv said. Didi क्यों नहीं होता है? ये तो सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है, apply क्यों? Because again, it is a habit, matter of habit. Knowing is something else, friends. We can know every damn thing in the world. I was telling my cousin, she was saying, she was, yeah, talking about, I said, yeah, there are some people who know so much and things, she was talking about कि मुझे struggle होता है, that to convince that, because they think, because they read so much of books, they think they know so much. But that's when I was talking to her that this is the problem. It comes with, sometimes it comes with educational arrogance. But in reality, it is not real knowing. It is just knowledge. Real knowing is about when you are applying and it is happening in your body, you are experiencing it. And this is what meditation does, friends. Meditation helps us to shift from knowledge to real knowing in our life, that, okay, this is what I'm feeling, this is what I'm happening, and this is how the transformation is happening. And then it is no longer just a knowledge, it is knowing. Okay. Today I will show you a video of this is amazing thing of really when you believe what can happen. And I'm just telling you, before he uses the word feeling, friends. Greg Braden is a very very famous scientist. And this scientist, what he the Bruce Lipton, Greg Braden, they are famous scientists. They were in the science, they were in hardcore normal science field. But later they realized that there is something more to this science field. And then they start researching in the field of spiritual science, okay, how to connect spirituality with science. And Greg Braden, Bruce Lipton, these are the people who are doing this. Bruce Lipton has found out that there is nothing called hereditary है, टेलोमेयर है बॉडी में है एक टेलोमेयर, जहां पे आपका हेरिडिटरी सब कुछ वहां पे अटका हुआ है, लेकिन वो एक्टिवेट, आपका कैंसर छुपा हुआ है, आपका हार्ट डिजीज छुपा हुआ है, आपके पेरेंट्स को था तो आपको भी होगा, ये है टेलोमेयर में, बट एक्टिवेट नहीं होता है जब तक हम नेगेटिव फीलिंग के साथ, नेगेटिव थॉट बिलीफ सिस्टम के साथ उसको एक्टिवेट नहीं करते हैं। वो तभी एक्टिवेट होता है, और अच्छा भी बिलीफ सिस्टम, मे बी यू हैव गॉट समथिंग वेरी गुड फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स, बट वो भी इनएक्टिव स्टेट में है जब तक आप, टिल द टाइम व्हेन यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेरी गुड and believing that something great can happen, then only that telomere gets activated, and that's when you will see the bad things, the diseases, diabetes, sugar. फिर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे मेरे पापा को था, मेरे पर पापा को था एंड दादा को था तो मुझे होगा। ये इट्स नॉट ट्रू फ्रेंड्स। You might still have it and still not manifest it in the world. That's what Bruce Lipton has figured out some 20 years back with his research. But many people don't allow him to, because क्या है, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स बंद हो जाएंगे ना अगर आपको किसी ने बोल दिया कि अरे हेरिडिटरी नहीं है, आप अपने थॉट प्रोसेस बिलीफ सिस्टम को चेंज करो, आप कुछ भी बंद कर सकते हो अपने जीवन में। नहीं, दैट्स व्हाई many people, pharmacies and every, and they are very rich, that's why they don't allow these kind of researchers to come to mainstream. Same with Greg Braden. He's also a very, very famous scientist. Okay. And this scientist has, I will show you what he is showing. Okay. Let us show. Share screen. Let's watch this together and see how he mentions the word feeling. Feeling means you are believing that it's done. Please watch it very carefully. Okay? What he's saying.
Lost mode of prayer sometimes seems a little more than academic until we can actually apply it in our lives or see it applied in our lives. It's in the late 1990s that I had the opportunity to do precisely that. When I saw the footage documenting the healing of a life-threatening condition within the body of a living woman using precisely the kinds of techniques that we're speaking about right now. For me, it was this kind of information that took this lost modality of prayer out of the realm of academics and into something that's very real that we can apply in our lives. I had the opportunity during that time to see some video footage of the healing of a 3-inch diameter bladder cancer inside the body of a woman who, by Western medical standards, had been diagnosed inoperable. She had gone, as a last resort, to a medicineless hospital in Beijing, China. It was in this medicineless hospital where they began simply by addressing the life-affirming ways that she could change how she was living her life. They taught her life-affirming ways to breathe and life-affirming ways to nourish her body, gentle movements to stimulate the energy centers in her body. And as she was doing these and strengthening her body, at one point it made sense to undergo a process. Now I'd like to share this. I'd like to describe it to you as a very potent example of how the feeling world inside of our bodies has a direct effect, in this case a very graphic effect, on the world beyond our bodies. So in the video documentation, the film shows a woman lying on in a hospital room. She's fully awake, she's fully conscious, she believes in the process that's about to happen. Before her, there is an ultrasound technician who is running an ultrasound wand over her lower abdomen that we can see on a split-screen television. And on the left-hand side of the screen, they do a snapshot, a freeze frame of an instant in time for reference, so we can see what her condition looked like in that instant in time. On the right-hand side of the screen, we are able to watch real time as three practitioners stand behind her, working with the energy in her body and with the feelings in their bodies. And what they do is they begin to chant a word that to them they've agreed upon, that reinforces the feeling within them that she's already healed. The chant essentially says already healed, already done. And as they begin to have this feeling and to say these words among themselves, on the computer screen, on the television screen, we can watch in real time this cancerous tumor as it disappears in less than 3 minutes real time. It's not like time lapse on a documentary where you see a rose unfold in 30 seconds in something that normally takes days. This literally happens in less than 3 minutes. Her body responded to the feelings of the practitioners who were trained to have the kinds of feelings that they were having. And all they were feeling was the feeling of what it feels like to be in the presence of a woman who is already healed, fully enabled, fully capacitated. They were not seeing her as a woman who was sick, and they weren't saying, bad cancer, you've got to go away. It's a very, very different way of thinking about things, and it's a very graphic example of precisely how this principle works. I had the opportunity to speak to the gentleman, Luke Chen, that actually created this film. And I asked him a question. I said, what if those three practitioners weren't there? I said, could this woman have done this? Could any of us do this on our own? And he smiled at me when I asked him the question. He said, Greg, in all probability, she probably could have done it alone. However, there's something about us humans in that we seem to feel more empowered and stronger when we're supported by others in the things that we believe in and in the things that we choose to accomplish. So while she probably could have had this feeling and done it herself, having these three practitioners work with her was the threshold that it took for her body to respond. All they were doing was having the feeling as if she were already healed, and in less than 3 minutes her body responded. What Western physics now is beginning to tell us is that the same energy, the same field that led to the healing in this woman's body also leads to peace between nations. It's the same thing, different scale, same principle. And I've been involved in experiments where hundreds of thousands of people joined together through the World Wide Web. We were coordinated on the internet at a given hour of time, a window of time, when we were trained to feel the feelings of peace in our bodies during that time. And when we did that, statistically, what happened in events around the world, there were wartime events. There were bombings, aerial bombings in Iraq that were scheduled, that were reversed during the window of time when this prayer was happening. Crimes against people declined. Emergency hospital room visits declined. There was a computer research project at Princeton University that was able to document the field of consciousness on a global level while these prayers were going on, and they saw a little glitch, a glyph on the screen indicating that consciousness was responding to hundreds of thousands of people feeling the feeling of peace in the moment that it was occurring. And what this tells us is that the field we're working with is a measurable field. You can pick it up with equipment. It can be measured on the computer screen. This was part of the research project at Princeton University that was called the Global Consciousness Project. So
thank you so much. Isn't it interesting, friends? Yeah, to see how in real time, less than 3 minutes, just less than 3 minutes, the tumor got dissolved. Okay. And what was the key? The key is to believe as if they didn't say bad tumor, it should go away. You know, it's not, this is not the way the universe respond. I told you, if you're feeling this, that means universe will say tathastu, you will have more of this tumor and cancer. But what was all of them together feel, emitting from their body, how does it feel to be in the presence of a healed person? And the woman was feeling, I'm getting healed, I'm healed. This is the feeling. So you have to believe as if, so friends, that's why believing process has has done to her amazing. Yeah, that is why I keep telling you, कुछ भी चाहिए पहले से it is, you know, in spirituality it is the backward process. You cannot say only when I get this I will be happy. Start being happy now, and you know, feel as if you everything is fulfilled. Then only you can see the difference in your life. Okay, it's not the other way around. आप जितना क्रिप करोगे, जितना रोओगे, जितना victim feel करोगे, you know, another thing is that this world is filled with people who want to feel like victims. Okay, and victim is a vibration. It is one of the lowest vibrations. सबसे लो है vibration. आप कुछ भी attract नहीं कर पाओगे. And the opposite is feeling very empowered and powerful. And it is just a matter of shift of the feeling that you can change your life. Are you feeling like a victim or are you feeling empowered? Are you feeling like giving up or you feel like I won, I'm winning, I know. You know, my first mentor, Daiseku Ikeda, used to say, you know, we don't become happy when we don't smile when we are happy. We smile to become happy. It means I will first have to keep acting. So it is like, you know, my subconscious mind, I have to make believe, imagine, pretend. That's why I use the word pretend. आपको आप लोगों को लग रहा है तो क्या बकवास करा रही है, पैसे दे रही हूँ लेकिन फील कर रही हो कि पैसे आ रहा है. But the more you can, in whatever way, make believe, pretend, imagine, whatever way you can believe. That's why we use play. Play से बच्चे लोग कैसे, देखा आपने बचपन में बच्चे लोग कुछ भी करते हो बिलीव करने लगते हैं, और वैसा ही लगता है. गुड्डियों का शादी करवा रहे हो, पूरा बिलीव करते हैं कि मेरे बेटे का शादी हो रहा है. वैसे ही खाना बनता है, वैसा ही लड़की चली जाती है लड़के के घर. हाउ, you know, beautifully they can believe it. This is what we have to do. We have to create in whatever way, believe it, play it, pretend it. Pretend, that's why I tell you, pretend as if you have become that. How will you walk, how will you talk, what will you do? hmm? Chaal change ho jata hai, right? Even our walk talk also changes if our goal we have achieved. Because sometimes confidence comes, so you should feel confident, you should feel everything beforehand, not when you will have that you will feel like that. Okay, so friends, your task for today is, you will, you know, now this is what I'm saying, that's why meditation is important. Only just thinking and then again physical practical task is also important, because throughout meditation किया उठ के ही फिर से सोचने लगी, पॉसिबल नहीं है, कैसे पॉसिबल है, नहीं है, मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ. इस वजह से हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल टास्क भी करते हैं थ्रू आउट द डे. And today's meditation, yeah, I would love to hear. 1 second. Yeah, I'll just finish and we will hear from Monica. I just lost it. What was I saying? Yeah. So what we do is, you know, meditation is important so that it is not just knowledge, it is knowing in the body. Hmm? That I now, you will never say that, you know, मैंने ये, you know it, you have experienced it. Okay. And then the practical also makes you, even that is also making you experience only. So the practical that you will be doing today is three of those wish list out of those 20 wish lists. Three of the, you know, आपने जो खरीदा, it's like buying, right? It's a fun. Have fun with it. Imagine you have bought three of them. Already you have purchased them. पैसा मिल गया, पैसा दे दिया. आपने आपका जो गाड़ी था, वॉच था, या कुछ और जो आपने बहुत प्यारा vacation, whatever you have now purchased it. So what is, so you have to feel as if for for 60 seconds you have to completely visualize. Even more is better, but three each, at least minimum of 60 seconds. You can increase that as well if you have lots of time during the day. But for 60 seconds, you have to visualize you have already got that goal. And next, after visualizing, you will imagine as if you are taking a picture with that goal. As for example, if you have bought a watch, imagine a very, very costly watch that is in your wish list, you have written it down. Imagine, visualize with the feeling. Friends, feeling is the key, friends. In spirituality, I tell you, not just visualization doesn't happen with the brain in spiritual science, okay? We have to feel it in the body. That's when the knowing happens. Okay, so from here we will visualize, we will feel, अच्छा मैं वो watch अपने हाथ में पहन रही हूँ and everything, and then visualize as if you are taking a picture with that watch and take a snapshot of that picture. So the subconscious mind enjoys snapshots. एक बार ले लिया ना, एकदम full आपका screen में बैठ गया है कि you are with that picture, the subconscious mind will start working towards that. Same is with vacation. If you want to go for a beautiful vacation, आज आप क्या करोगे? 60 सेकेंड्स, मिनिमम 60 सेकेंड्स के लिए आप क्या करोगे? आप विजुअलाइज करोगे कि आप वहीं पे हो, बाली में हो, या वेर एवर, माचू पिच्ची में हो, या वेर एवर यू वॉन्ट टू गो, समवेयर amazing that you want to go. You're visualizing, or maybe with your partner you want to see it with your, जिसके साथ भी जाना चाहते हो सबको एक साथ में विजुअलाइज करो, एंजॉय कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो फॉर मिनिमम 60. मोर इज बेटर. विजुअलाइजेशन का ये है कि आप जितना ज्यादा विजुअलाइज करो और ज्यादा फास्ट काम करते हैं, बट 60 सेकेंड के लिए एटलीस्ट तो करो. करने के बाद देखो कि फैमिली सब कुछ मिलके ऐसे खड़े हो, यू हैव स्टूड एंड यू हैव टेकन अ पिक्चर. Snapshot. The moment you have taken a snapshot, remember that all of you are in the picture, where there is a sun and that place and everything, and just remember that picture for a little while, and then you can go to the third activity. Same whatever, car ke sath same. You imagine you're driving the car, and your partner or your children or whoever you want, they're sitting, you are having a great time with that car, and then you come out of the car and car ko aise pakda and uske sath you have taken a picture. Okay, so this is your task. The rest what I have taught is to make you understand how important is to feel, believe that you have already become, whether it is in meditation or whether it is outside meditation. You cannot say ki only when I see this I will believe it. Believe it first. So this is what today's point is: believe. So it is not that I will believe when I see it. I will see it when I believe it. This is the spiritual science way, friends. When I believe it, only then I will be able to see that manifestation in my life. Okay, got it? Anybody has any question? Otherwise, we will hear from Monica. Yes, Monica. We have 3 to 4 minutes, Monica. After that, we will go for meditation. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. So this is about my healing journey. So it all started from the COVID time. So I got COVID and my immune system went down. On top of that, I also had some bad situations in my life which added more stress. And from then, right, every 2 to 3 months, I used to get a new symptom in my body and I used to go to hospital. And doctors used to do the scanning, right? And they used to say, like, everything is perfect, you're normal, like, your scans are fine, so you don't have anything. But I know something was wrong in my body because I used to have so much pain in my body. And then 1 year back, I got food intolerances. Like I was not able to eat. Even healthy foods also used to cause me so much of reaction, like fruits or even tomato also, like because I had histamine intolerance. So, and from last 1 year, right, I used to eat only 4 to 5 safe foods like rice, dal, and some vegetables. That's it. And I lost so much of weight also. I went to underweight. And then one day you came to yoga studio, right? And then you were telling about the manifestation. So till then I didn't know about this manifestation thing. And then after coming to home, I researched about this manifestation thing, and I came across this YouTube video of Joe Dispenza and Anita Moorjani. So then I got some confidence, like if they can heal, I can also heal through meditation. So from then I started doing this meditation like 2 times a day, morning and night.
We cannot hear you anymore, Monica. Monica, we lost you. Hi, Monica. You can leave and you can join again. Yeah, yeah. So Monica cannot attend frequently. So, but she messaged me separately, Madam, I cannot tell you how much, in that yoga studio, I taught her the 5 steps manifestation process. There is this I will not teach you here. After maybe, when we finish, we will have that. So I showed her the 5 step manifestation process, and she does that every morning and evening. And along with it, she did all these researches, and she believed that yes, it's possible. And though she cannot join, she was telling me, I cannot tell you, madam, how much my life has transformed after doing that meditation morning and evening. I think this is what she was trying to share. Yeah. So, see, and for her, I just took one meditation in that yoga studio. After that, she attended just one or two meditation classes. But I think she cannot join it regularly. But she messaged me. So the meditation is like that. But I wanted to tell Monica that it's very important that we get into that 4 S's, friends. It's like first time kabhi kabhi, it's like beginner's benefit. Even in spiritual practice, Madhurima knows, you know, ke, even in the chanting world that I was, the transcendental meditation, they say that initially with so much of belief we do that it manifests fast. But after that, kya hota hai na, the logical mind comes in sometimes when we keep growing old, all these things will come, even the past lives karma and that's why these 4 S's, I really, people who can really ensure that they can join regularly the session, they should. Satsang, Seva, Swadhyay, and Sadhana. These 4 things has to be done together. It cannot happen. Ek do up, you will be able to manifest on your own, like Monica did, just with few, guidances that I did, and the confidence that she got from watching other people's healing. But normally, ye continue it can continue only when we are always supported. Did you see Greg Braden? What was he saying? She could have done it on her own, but when she got that support, it gives that belief. Even if she's not believing, if others are believing that it is possible, or somebody is experienced, like in this satsang, Monica shared her experience, and we all started believing it. You know, this is what satsang does. Have you heard such an amazing experience of Monica? From COVID, she was suffering एंड वन आफ्टर अनदर कोविड के बाद से उसका खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था food allergy food also she could not take in the last 1 year she was losing weight so many things were happening and one just showing her 5 steps meditation मैंने कुछ नहीं किया सिर्फ 5 स्टेप मेडिटेशन उसको सिखाया था एक योगा स्टूडियो में कि दिस इज हाउ सेम there are 3 more steps but we are going to do only 2 now that brain coherence and heart coherence and then tomorrow we are going to say of receive okay the 5 steps I will teach you maybe after this 21 days okay because we have to finish this syllabus so friends thank you so much yeah isn't it this is what happens satsang okay
Didi, I
yes
also want to add something. Monica Didi explained her situation,
Hmm.
and we come to see how she get out of it slowly,
Hmm.
slowly. But
Hmm.
at the same time, I also observe that people around us, we don't
Hmm.
know how much sufferings, how much pain they are going through. Nobody knows what the next person is feeling, right?
Hmm.
And after listening this, also I observed from before, but after listening this, I am also more in gratitude that my life is actually really, really easy, and I get a lot of things without asking, and I have a lot of things
Absolutely.
maybe I deserve, maybe I don't deserve, but I have it access to it, and I
Absolutely.
thank God and the universe for everything. And at the same time, we also don't know how lucky we are to have what we think as we should have, but many people don't have
Mm.
it, and they are praying for it day and night. So I just like to take the opportunity to thank the
Right.
God, the universe, that what I have access to, and a beautiful family and everything, and really can't thank enough for it.
True,
Thank you.
very true. We take so many things for granted, right? When we hear all these things. But again, to tell you, Monica's experience is not slowly she overcome. It was just bang for 4 5 years, 6 years. I think COVID kab hua 2000. So that the experience has started. She's suffering, continuously suffering, and just once to yoga studio, my going, and I just went. I think a month or 2 months back, when and Jo, she was suffering for 6 years, and she could change her life in just 2 months. So it also happens. That's why it also happens if you can really believe it. That day she was in a believing mode, whatever I was telling her. She could believe that it is possible. Yes, she can change her life. And then if you believe, it can happen instantaneous. प्रॉब्लम है कि हम बिलीव ही नहीं कर पाते, इसीलिए तो हम इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं, राइट? So it's for her, it's again, it is also, the मैं कल भी मैं बोल रही थी कि हमारा ना आदत हो गया है ह्यूमन बींग्स का, बहुत ज्यादा हमको ना अच्छा हमको लगता है कि हार्ड वर्क डिफिकल्टी, इन इसके बाद ही मुझे कुछ मिलेगा, राइट? इट इज ऑल्सो द प्ले ऑफ द ईगो, कि देखो मैंने कितना कुछ किया उसके बाद मुझे ये मिला. इट इज ऑल्सो द प्ले ऑफ द ईगो, because ego gets a boost by saying ke, after doing all these things I got this. But spirituality is, तुम बिलीव करो ना, इसी मोमेंट में मिल जाएगा. अब्राहम हिक्स बोलता है, एस्ट्रल मास्टर अब्राहम हिक्स, what I told you, right? They channel, this is a group of masters, they channel through Esther and Jerry. Jerry has died, Esther is still alive. And what he says is that you think that you have to work for that goal, that's why you are working. If you can just, you can go to an extent where you can believe that just by visualizing being in a state and feel completely that you are receiving that goal, अगर उस state में पहुंच सको, तो कभी कभी काम करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, वो अपने आप हो जाता है. जो योगीज है ना, दे हैव रीच दैट स्टेट, राइट? इसलिए तो हम लोग को सब कुछ, हमको लगता है कि ये फन हो रहा है. मूवीज में दिखाता था ना, टैंग टैंग टैंग, ऐसे करते थे चीजें आ जाता था, ऐसे करते थे चीजें आ जाता था. हमको लगता है कि ये वो है, फालतू का दिखा रहे हैं. बट दिस इज व्हाट योगीज डू. श्रीएम हैज शोन अस in beer biceps that he just did like this and he brought rudraksh in his hand. But one is, we have to be really purified. बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए. one is, इतना purification चाहिए. यूनिवर्स उतना पावर भी नहीं देता है, बिलीव भी उतना नहीं देता है, क्योंकि इस पावर से अगर आपने गलत यूज किया तो, किसी का हार्म किया तो, इसलिए वो पावर स्लोली स्लोली आता है. So that when it knows that you have become so filled with love that you will never use this power to harm anybody, that's when you will see that you are just ting 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 चीजें हो रहे हैं आपके जीवन में. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, Monica, we have. Thank you so much. Thank you for your experience, Monica. It was an amazing experience of when you believed. That's what I was telling. That when you believed completely, it just happened in a matter of 1 2 months. That's all, right? When we met.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got shocked by seeing the results.
Yes. जहाँ पे where she was suffering for so many years, you can say 5 6 years. Okay. So believing is the key. Today I'm so happy. Monica, I will record your experience, okay? We record people's experiences so that other people also can benefit. It's Monica, I was also talking about, if you have not heard, initially beginners benefit hota hai ki belief system. We are so believing that sometimes things happen very fast. Then after that, this 4 S's is so important, Monica. Seva, Satsang, Swadhyay, Sadhana. Because all these four, you will see that you try to manifest a lot of things, maybe that will not happen that fast, and then you will think, why I did this so fast, why did not happen fast. Okay, for this, these 4 S's are important, so that we are in a rhythm and we can continuously change our life. Okay. Yeah, amazing. We are going to take Monica's experience. Monica, be ready to join one Friday and we will take your experience. Okay. And Monica, I would request you to be, I know everybody has work, but see, these people, despite of having so much of work and everything, they try to join as much as possible, because satsang is very important, friends. Okay, this is what keeps you in the rhythm. Otherwise, you lose track. Thank you so much. I experienced a lot of things last couple of months in my life as well, being by being so grateful. Yes, amazing, Tonmoy. Amazing. I'm so happy. We will be taking Tonmoy's experience. Tonmoy has amazing experience to share. Huh? We are going to record because friends, Hamisha Seva, also keep a Seva mentality always. My experience should not be Anita Morjani, you have spoken about Monica. Did you see? She's sharing her experience with everybody. This should be the heart. That's why I tell everybody. The more you share, the more it's like a karma, na? Cause and effect. The more I create causes, the effect comes to me. Yeah, that's why I always encourage people seva in, and experience sharing is one of the greatest kind of seva we can do. Friends, thank you so much. I think we are running short of time. It will little extend by 10 minutes, I think, the meditation, but please bear with me, okay? Let's do the meditation. Thank you so much.